Austria is a landlocked country with a wealth of stunning landscapes, beautiful architecture, and a rich musical heritage. Bordered by the Czech Republic to the north, Germany to the northwest, Slovakia to the northeast, Hungary to the east, and Liechtenstein and Switzerland to the west, Austria offers a unique blend of past glories and natural beauty. If you're planning a visit, here are the 15 best places to explore in Austria. Number 15. Aachensee. Aachensee, also known as the Tyrolean Sea, is Austria's largest lake, nestled in Tyrol. Surrounded by the Karwendel mountain range to the west and the Brandenburg Alps to the east, Aachensee offers stunning alpine pastures and breathtaking viewpoints, perfect for adventure enthusiasts. Number 14. Bad Gastein. Located in the heart of the High-Tauern Mountains in the Gastein Valley, Bad Gastein is renowned for its belly-poke architecture and picturesque landscapes. The town is famous for its thermal spring waters, making it a popular spa and wellness destination. Number 13. Kufstein. Nicknamed the Pearl of Tyrol, Kufstein is a charming Austrian town situated on the banks of the Inn River. It's a hub for winter sports and summer adventures, offering attractions like the Kufstein Fortress, the world's largest outdoor organ, and scenic spots like Hechtsee and Langsee. Number 12. Vorarlberg. Nestled between the Alps and Lake Constance in western Austria, Vorarlberg boasts stunning landscapes with rushing rivers, sparkling lakes, rugged peaks, and dense forests. Highlights include the Bregenz Festival, Rappenloch Gorge, Fender Mountain, and the ski resorts of Ski Arlberg. Number 11. Kitzbühel. Kitzbühel, located east of Innsbruck in Tyrol, is a prominent destination for mountain sports enthusiasts. The town features historic structures in its charming old town, along with attractions like the Kitzbühel Museum, Schwarzsee, and the scenic Kitzbühel Alps. Number 10. Villach. Situated on Austria's southern border, Villach is surrounded by the Villacher and Julian Alps. It's known for its historical landmarks, including Landskron Castle and the 14th century parish church of St. Jakob, as well as cultural sites like the Museum der Stadt Villach and the Corinthia relief model. Number 9. Graz. As the capital of Styria in southern Austria, Graz lies along the Mur River amidst rolling hills and lush forests. Its UNESCO-listed Old Town features historical and architectural gems, such as the Baroque St. Jacob's Cathedral and the Renaissance-style Habsburg Imperial Palace. Number 8. Zillertal Alps. Bordering Austria and Italy, the Zillertal Alps offer picturesque landscapes with towering glaciers, tree-lined valleys, and jagged mountain peaks. The Hintertux Glacier, one of the world's highest skiing spots, attracts visitors year-round for skiing and hiking adventures. Number 7. Grossglockner Alpine Road. Grossglockner Alpine Road. Considered one of Austria's most scenic road trips, the Grossglockner Alpine Road winds through the Hohe Tauern National Park, culminating at the majestic Grossglockner, Austria's highest peak. It's a favorite among hikers and adventurers for its breathtaking natural beauty. Number 6. Wachau. Wachau, stretching along the Danube River between Krems and Melk, Wachau Valley is renowned for its charming small towns, rolling vineyards, and dramatic cliffs. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a prominent wine region, offering scenic boat cruises and cultural experiences. Number 5. Zell am See. Nestled among the Kitzbühel Alps, Zell is a picturesque town on the shores of a vibrant blue lake. It's popular year-round for skiing, snowboarding, hiking, cycling, and water sports, making it a perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 4. Innsbruck. Innsbruck, the capital of Tyrol, is surrounded by stunning mountain scenery and offers a mix of history, culture, and outdoor activities. Highlights include the Baroque St. Jacob's Cathedral, the Renaissance-style Habsburg Imperial Palace, and the Nordkette Mountain with its panoramic views accessible by cable car. Number 3. Salzkammergut. Located between Salzburg and the Gastein Mountains, Salzkammergut is celebrated for its pristine landscapes, alpine valleys, and shimmering lakes. It's a paradise for outdoor activities like fishing, boating, hiking, and mountain biking, with Hallstatt being a standout destination for its picturesque setting. Number 2. Salzburg. Famous for its Baroque architecture, Salzburg is a city near the German border with breathtaking views of the Eastern Alps. It's the birthplace of Mozart and home to historic landmarks like the Hohensalzburg Fortress and the picturesque Altstadt Old Town. Number 1. Vienna. Vienna, Austria's capital, is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and architectural marvels. Known as the City of Music, Vienna boasts landmarks like the Gothic St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Baroque Belvedere Palace, and the Grand Kunsthistorisches Museum. For more travel inspiration and detailed guides, visit worldtravelpics.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok for the latest updates. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures around the world. Happy travels!